Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a review. I'm not going to do an install. There's install videos out there. I'll link one up here or in the comments or something to my my good friend over at Johnny's Off-Road Adventures, who did a really in-depth install of this. The VoSwitch panel JL800 8-gang switch controller. So today I'm going to get this installed, and then I'm just going to come back and show you a few of the nicer features and operational features of it, and then give you my final thoughts and review. Maybe do some programming of it, and you know, just tell you what I think about the fit and finish. So I'll be back when I get this installed, and we'll see how it went.
One eternity later.
Alright, several hours later, we finally got everything installed. We swapped from an aux beam setup, so this is a good budget setup for sure. Nothing wrong with it, never had any problems. Install was pretty easy. However, the next budget option, and I don't want to call it cheap, because I mean it's still hard-earned money that you're paying for this, but this is miles above the aux beam setup for what you're getting and what you're paying. So here's the VoSwitch setup installed. It's really a really good quality piece. Relays for every switch. That's something you don't get with the aux beam. Really straightforward install, super easy. We got the 8-gang for the Jeep, so the JL 800, and as you can see, the switches go onto your grab handle. Have a power button, turn the whole system off, power on, lights off, and then my chase lights are down here. We can program these to be flashing. You can program a master switch, so I have an individual 1 and 2 for my front lights. If I can program switch 3 to turn them both on at the same time. I'm not sure that's necessary. If you just want to have to do it, I mean, sure. But I don't always want all my lights on. I'll probably do it just to play with it. In fact, let's go ahead and do that now, and I'll show you how to program it. So it's been a couple of weeks since we did the install on the VoSwitch 8-gang JL800 panel. As you see here, we've got it installed on the pillar. It's immaculate. It's rugged, it's durable, it's well built, and it has all the functions of the $1,000 units that you see a lot of people running. I can adjust the color of the backlight. As you can see here, I don't know if you can tell, it's a little blank, but it's blue, white, orange, green, and blue. You can also dim and brighten the intensity of the light. Again, it's going to be hard to see because of the daylight hours outside. It also has a neat function where you can set a master switch. So if you look here, I have my bumper lights and I have my A-pillar lights. I also have a switch set here that if I press this, it turns them both on, which is freaking awesome. Down here I have my chase lights. A single press makes them solid. A double press will cause them to strobe in one of 6 predetermined patterns that you can use. Do I recommend this? Absolutely. It's a lot of bang for the buck. It's over-engineered for what you're paying for. Easy to install, super well built. 10 of 10 do recommend. So if you have any questions, just comment down below. Let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. We're going to try to get you guys a discount link, so I'll get that and get it put into my link tree, which you can find in our bio. And then if you're new here, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the things. We're trying to reach a goal of hitting our first 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're only about 120 away. So if we could reach that, it'd be super great by the end of the year. If you have any questions, please let us know, and make sure you get out and be adventurous.